Hello everyone. This week I want to show you some of the leak I've been finding on the LS3 intake. I noticed there's quite a bit of misfire, but only misfire during the idle and warm-up period. So what we found was the intake gasket leaking, but not necessarily the intake gasket, it was the intake manifold. So notice the separation of the intake manifold deformed versus the other cylinder. And let me get a light here. Okay, so have a better look in there. It's all cracking inside, and this is what's causing it misfire. And this particular intake manifold came off a 2010 Camaro SS. Thank you for watching.